Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to unlock the secrets of indoor tanning and get your best tan ever. Whether you're new to indoor tanning or looking to perfect your routine, I've got some great tips to help you achieve and maintain a flawless, long-lasting glow. So, let's unlock the secrets of indoor tanning together. First off, preparation is key. A great indoor tan starts before you even step into the tanning bed. Proper skin prep is crucial. Begin by exfoliating your skin thoroughly. This removes dead skin cells and creates a smooth canvas for your tan. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub, focusing on areas like your elbows, knees, and ankles, where the skin tends to be rougher. Exfoliating helps you achieve an even tan and makes it last longer because fresh skin holds the color better. Next, hydration is essential. Make sure your skin is well moisturized before tanning. Dry skin can lead to uneven tanning and cause your skin to flake, making your tan fade faster. Use a good moisturizer that's free of oil to avoid creating a barrier that could prevent the tanning solution from absorbing properly. Pay extra attention to those dry areas, and don't forget to hydrate from the inside out by drinking plenty of water. Now, let's move on to the actual tanning process. Understanding your skin type is crucial when it comes to indoor tanning. Skin types vary in how they react to UV exposure, so knowing yours can help you determine how much time you should spend in the tanning bed. If you have fair skin that burns easily, start with shorter sessions and gradually increase your exposure time. For those with medium to dark skin tones, you can handle longer sessions, but still, be mindful not to overdo it. When using a tanning bed, it's essential to follow the salon's guidelines. Start with the recommended time for your skin type and gradually increase it as your skin gets used to the UV exposure. Always use protective eyewear to shield your eyes from the intense UV rays in tanning beds. Many tanning beds come with lotions designed to enhance your tan. These can be a great addition to your routine, as they're formulated to accelerate the tanning process and moisturize your skin simultaneously. Now, let's talk about aftercare. What you do after tanning is just as important as what you do before and during. Immediately after tanning, take a lukewarm shower to rinse off any sweat or tanning products. Avoid hot water, as it can dry out your skin and make your tan fade faster. After your shower, apply a generous amount of moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft. Look for moisturizers that contain aloe vera or hyaluronic acid, as these ingredients are excellent for maintaining skin moisture. To extend the life of your tan, avoid long hot showers and baths, as prolonged exposure to hot water can dry out your skin and cause your tan to fade. Gently pat your skin dry with a towel instead of rubbing it, which can also cause your tan to fade unevenly. Exfoliate gently about once a week to keep your skin smooth, but be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this can strip away your tan. Another tip for maintaining your indoor tan is to incorporate a tan-extending lotion or gradual tanner into your daily routine. These products are specifically designed to keep your tan looking fresh by adding a small amount of color each time you apply them. They're great for evening out any areas where your tan might have faded and keeping your overall color looking consistent. Be sure to choose a product that matches your skin tone for the most natural results. If you're serious about keeping your tan year-round, consider using self-tanning products in addition to your indoor tanning sessions. Self-tanners can help you maintain that perfect glow between tanning bed visits. The key to a good self-tan is preparation. Exfoliate and moisturize beforehand, and avoid applying any products like deodorant or perfume that could interfere with the self-tanning solution. After applying a self-tanner, be patient. It can take a few hours for the color to fully develop, so avoid showering or sweating until the tan has set. Finally, let's not forget about the importance of diet and hydration in maintaining a tan. Eating foods rich in beta-carotene, like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, can actually enhance your tan by boosting your skin's natural pigment. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin plump and smooth, which is essential for a healthy-looking tan. So there you have it, Those are the secrets to unlocking your best indoor tan ever. Remember, the key is in the preparation, the process, and the aftercare. With these tips, you'll be able to achieve a beautiful, long-lasting tan that not only looks great, but is also healthy for your skin. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty and skincare tips.